Hello guys, in this video I will explain in details how you can earn money through real estate on VALPULSE with just your smartphone. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get details about real estate. Before I get started into the main topic, I'm going to briefly explain what real estate is all about and the opportunity you are going to get on VALPULSE. So make sure you watch the video to the end if you want to earn money in the year 2026, and if you don't want to promote the product, you can decide to promote people's property to earn money. And you don't need to have a property, you don't need to buy a property before you can earn money through real estate. So make sure you watch the video to the end to learn what digital real estate marketing is all about. So before I get started, I'm going to explain what real estate is all about. Real estate simple means land and anything permanently attached to it, such as house, building, shop, and other structure. Real estate simple means land and building like house, shop, and apartments. In simple terms, real estate equal to land plus property on it. Real estate is the land and buildings like house, shop, and apartment. There are so many people that want to sell their property, but they don't have anybody that can promote it. On VALPULSE, you have access to so many property and you become a middleman between the agent and the buyer. And when someone buy this property, you earn commission directly to your VALPULSE dashboard, and you withdraw it on Thursday and receive your payment on Friday. So, but here is what nobody tells you: you can make money from real estate without owning any property, no land, no house, no big capital. All you need to do is all you need to do is become an athlete on platform like VALPULSE. You help promote properties to people who are interested. Once they buy through you, you earn your commission. Simple. This is called digital real estate marketing. Just your phone, internet, and the right strategy. You are in business. You don't need to own property to make money from real estate. That's smart, not big. So I'm going to show you my dashboard on VALPULSE. I'm going to show you everything you needed to know about real estate on VALPULSE, and I'm going to show you how much you are going to earn if you're able to promote a property on VALPULSE. And also I'm going to show you how you can copy your link and how you can download the videos of the property or the picture of the property. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get full details about real estate and how you can make use of VALPULSE to earn a lot of money with just your smartphone. So I'm going to go back to my Chrome browser. I'm going to go to my Chrome browser right now. So okay, I'm going to log in. Okay, okay, VALPULSE login. I'm going to tap it. Okay, I'm going to sign right now. Okay, okay. So when you sign, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. This place you see figures, you're going to see 0000000. This pay amount is the amount of money I was able to withdraw on VALPULSE for selling digital products. Let me just convert it to Naira for you guys to see. Okay, this is okay. C6 brought me 49,500. I was able to get another 6 yesterday, so this is 8,250. So I'm going to withdraw it on Thursday and receive my payment on Friday. So I was able to, if you calculate it, 49,500 plus 8,000, so it's 50 something plus. So just calculate it. So can you see? So right now, let me just change it to Ghana. You can go into, okay, see this, can you see? Okay, this is see this, can you see? 594. 6 brought me 594. So let's go back to the main topic. So you tap on these three lines at your left hand side. You tap on it. So you're going to see different options: home, account, achievement, leaderboard, proper product, payment, says invite real estate. So you're going to tap on real estate. I'm going to show you how the dashboard look like. So welcome to VALPULSE Real Estate. 20 plus years experience. VALPULSE Real Estate. VALPULSE just signed a major deal with real estate. Okay. VALPULSE is the middleman between you and the owner of the property. So when you promote this property on this platform and you were able to get sales, you are going to earn commission. Make sure when you post this property, make sure the buyer fill in the details so that they'll be able to go and check the property. So when the buyer pay for that property, you receive an email that someone buy a property through your affiliate link. Make sure you send your link to that person. Do you understand? Make sure you send your link to and make sure you tell the person to fill it. So when that person fill it, if the person submits it's going to direct the person to WhatsApp, and the person is going to talk to the owner of the property because they have they have staff that are in charge of property. So the person in charge of property will check, see the message, and the message is okay, I want to come and check this property. So when they take this person to the where the property is, and when that person pay, you are going to receive an email that someone has buy a property to your affiliate link. So this is for that. So I'm going to just explain. Can you see the dashboard? Okay, so I'm going to tap. For me, I'm promoting the tap product. So if you don't want to promote the tap product on VALPULSE, you can decide to go into real estate. You have two options. And real estate, the commission is very high. More than data products. So you can decide anyone you want to do. So I'm going to come back to the real estate. I'm going to go straight to the market. So can you see we have two bedroom and pay. The price is 120 million and the commission you are going to get is 2.4 million. Can you see on just one property? Let us slide. This is 5.5 billion and your commission is 110 million. Just slide. And this is 360 million and your commission is 7.2 million. Let us slide. See property. This is smart 3-bedroom apartment is 210 million and your commission is 4.2 million. And this is 950 million and your commission is 19 million. And this place is 2.5 billion, the commission is 50 million. Those slide, and this is 400 million and your commission is 8 million. So you can just slide, and then this is 2.5 billion and your commission is 50 million. So can you see? So now I'm going to show you how you can copy your link. Let me say, assuming you want to promote this product, you can just come. If you want to get more details about it, you tap on more, see more, you're going to get details about it. So you're going to copy your link. The second box, you copy your link. Can you see? Affiliate link copy. Okay, then you want to download the property or the video or the picture, you tap on this download, you tap on it and it's going to the picture of the property. The picture is going to download in your gallery or the video is going to download in your gallery. That is what you are going to use to promote. And also you tap on this see more to get more details about the property. Okay, estate product details, 5-bedroom townhouse. The price is 4 million. The price is 400 million and the commission is 8 million. You can see details and this is the picture. So this is how you can promote on VALPULSE. So if you don't want to promote digital product, you can go into real estate. You can promote your property and earn money. So when you copy this link, so maybe you post the picture or the video, and someone come to your DM to say, okay, I want to get more of this. Please don't lie. Make the person know that you are the middleman between the owner of the property, between VALPULSE. You are the middleman between VALPULSE and them. Do you understand? So make sure to tell the person to fill in the form. So when they fill in the form and when they want to submit, it's going to direct them to WhatsApp. They are going to talk to, because on this VALPULSE they have a deal, they have a partnership, and they have a staff that are in charge of real estate. So when your clients submit that form, it's going to direct them to the WhatsApp number in WhatsApp, and it's going to talk to the person that, okay, I want to come and check the property. When that person check the property and buy this property, you're going to receive an email that someone got a property through your affiliate link, and the commission is going to reflect on your dashboard. And on Thursday, you are going to request some for payment, and Friday you are going to receive alert. So I'm just going to show you how the link is. So you know I've copied the link. I'm going to go back to Chrome. I'm going to copy and paste. Let me just paste it for you to understand better. So this is the link I copied from that property. Sorry, let me go back. Paste. Okay, so I want you to see it. So I'm going to allow it to load. Okay, can you see? So 5-bedroom townhouse, VALPULSE service, property preview. Okay, so price 400 million. So it's going to, okay, contact agents now. So it's going to start your client is going to start on contact agents now, and your client is going to fill their name. Let me just fill my name for you to see, so that you will know how you can talk to your client. Okay, how you can tell them to fill the form, so that you can direct them to, just make them to know you are the middleman. Do you understand? Make them to know. So then your client is going to tap on submit. Okay, can you see? You said, hello, Mr. Nasiru. I'm refer for impression. My name is Olu. So if the person talk to him, let me just show you example. Let me not disturb him. Let me not disturb him. So the person is going to say, okay, my name is this, and when your client talk to Mr. Nasiru, and okay, they agree, okay, on social date, I'm going to check the property. When the person check the property and pay, you are going to receive an email that someone got a property through your link. Please take note. Make sure you send your affiliate link, because that affiliate link will track your sales. And remember, every property has its own link. Every property has its own link. So if you want to promote another property, don't go and copy another property. Maybe you want to promote like 6-bedroom flat, and you now send 5-bedroom flat link. Don't do that. So I want you to understand that every property has their own unique affiliate link, and make sure you tell the person to fill it. Fill the information that you, okay, you can say, okay, fill your information, and it's going to direct you to someone that is going to take you to where the property is. So make them to be safe. Do you understand? So that is how you can make money on VALPULSE. Can you see that there's a lot of money you can earn on affiliate marketing and on real estate on VALPULSE? You can become an affiliate marketer for real estate, for property, for people property. So can you see? So if you want to sign up on VALPULSE, you want to get started, you want to learn, you want to earn money through real estate, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link to get access to VALPULSE and register. And also, if you have any question you want to ask me, you can click on my WhatsApp link and you can send your question. So I hope you have learned one or two things. In this year 2026, you don't have complaint, because you have two options to earn money. You can earn money by promoting someone digital products, and you can earn money by promoting properties. So you don't have any complaint. You can't say, okay, I don't know what I'll say. So you have two options: to sell digital product or to promote property. So if you want to get started on VALPULSE, maybe you are an affiliate marketer on a lot of, you want to go into real estate, you can sign up on VALPULSE. And if you want to sign up, there's a link in the description below, and there's a link in the first comment section. Click on the link to get access to VALPULSE and register. So this is a great opportunity for you to earn in 2026. And even though you're a student, a 9 to 5 worker, a freelancer, a graduate undergraduate, you can go into real estate and you earn a lot of money. So make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, because I'll be showing you different ways you can earn money with your smartphone. So I hope you have learned one or two. If you have questions, drop your question in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.